Alright, so to remove this rear door panel, it's not going to be too bad. We're going to have a 7 down here on the bottom corner. I believe we're going to remove this reflector and have a 7 back there. We will pop this switch out, and there should be some bolts behind it. And then we've got a tab right back here. Pop this out and we should have a bolt there. Alright, so for this top piece, the easiest way on these is usually get back on the back side, try to get behind it a little bit. Just like that. Just put some pressure on this back side and it will pop these out. And then we've got, I believe these are going to be 8s right here. So let's do this one. So these can be aggravating to get them to release. I think we've got a tab pushing in on this side, but they're really tight, so it's hard to get in between them without marring them up. You can try to use a non-mar tool if we can get it in there, but this one doesn't want to go. So we will be gentle with our metal tool, and then we're going to just twist it up like that. So we stick it in there, twist up a little bit, and then we can come back with our non-mar tool and work around. And we'll pick up, pull forward, and there you can see our little tab that slides in. Now to remove this, we'll just push this tab in on this clip and it'll undo. And then we've got a 10mm bolt right here and a 10 right here. Basically the same thing on this reflector. Get behind it, just pry out on it a little bit. Let's see if we've got a bolt behind it. And I can't see. We do. We've got a 7mm right there. Then when we come down here to the bottom, I'm about to get y'all a weird angle, but you've got a 7 right there, and you've also got a 7 right there. So we'll get those two out and then we'll be ready to pop this panel off. Alright, so get this panel off. On the back side we've stuck our non-mar tool between the panel and the door, and we're going to grab right here and put our hand behind it and give it a jerk. Get it loose, pull up. Got a wire right here we'll undo. And then on this panel right here, you're gonna push this little white tab right there. Push that and it comes out.